Yo, man, I got a real issue, man. I'm up at the shop trying to open up for the day. Man, it is a damn bird in my bathroom. Y'all look at that bird now. How the hell am I supposed to get this bird out of here? I'm scared as hell. You see it? Shit. Ha! Come on, bird. Get on out of here. Come on, bird. Get out of here. Bird. What am I supposed to do? Trying to throw something at it. Trying to get it out of here. Get out of here. Come on. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Yo, man. Scared as hell, man. Been trying to evict this bird early this morning. Oh shit! Shit, Joe. Scared as hell of birds. Come on, damn it, get out of here. Come on out there.